top of the stretch. Ready for the start. Here they come. And they're off in the Centaur Trotting Classic, and out for the lead. It's Wishing Stone, Arch Madness to the inside. From the front side, Uncle Peter with the rush, and away fourth, it's Market Share. Alongside the fifth, My MVP, trotting in sixth, Undercover Strike. Outer Flow in seventh there, Guccio. Racing eighth as they head to the first turn. It's up front Billy. Appomattox comes away ninth. Last in 10th, it's Rompaway Bow. The opening quarter, 27 seconds. Around the turn to the backstretch they go, and up front with the lead, it's Wishing Stone. Wishing Stone by 2 lengths. Arch Madness to the inside sets the pocket for Wren, with Uncle Peter following along in third. Tim Tetrick has Market Share trotting in fourth, followed closely fifth by My MVP. Then sixth to the inside, it's Undercover Strike. Moving to the outside, Tactor and Guccio is underway. Up front, Billy sits tight at the pylons, and to the outside comes Appomattox. Half was 56-1 as they continue on to the upper turn. Wishing Stone. Wishing Stone by a length and a half. Arch Madness to the inside. Continues to follow, is now blocked in second as Market Share, the Hambo winner, is underway to the outside for Tetrick. Right there in his back, Guccio follows closely in fourth. Locked and shuffled fifth, it's Uncle Peter. Approaching 3/4, Wishing the Stone and Market Share squaring off at that spot. 125-2 as they race for home. And Market Share powers up for short lead. Wishing Stone won't give it up without a fight to the inside. To the outside and beginning to close now comes My MVP. Back of the inside is Arch Madness and late trot from Uncle Peter. They've less than a 16th to go. And Market Share clear by a length and a half too. But here comes a hard-charging Uncle Peter with the rush. Uncle Peter on the outside. Uncle Peter and Market Share together in 152.3 track record here at Hoosier Park.